Hello, and welcome to my channel. Today we will be a little more advanced than we used to. We have a flying hippo with a health bar, and we also have a game over and colliding elements. Okay, let's start this. We will begin by using the project we made in lesson 4, and that is named scrolling 1, and then we'll open that one, and we will be here at the hippo. Then we will add a few lines here. Go to control. We add an if then. Then we have a sensing. If touching buildings. So if the hippo is touching the buildings, it will say ouch. For 2 seconds. And then we can try. It's saying ouch. Perfect. We make a new variable. We go to variables and make a variable. We make it health. And we change health by 1. So if we hit the building, the health goes up. That is not our intention. We wanted to go down by 1, so we have -1 instead. And then before the loop, we set health to 10, for example. And we try again. Health is 9. Health is 8. Health is 7. And so on. Then we will have a control. If health is 0, then we go to variables. We drag in health here. Then we will send a message if the health is 0. So if it's no more health, then we will send a message 1, saying that game is over, kinda. We will also add a new backdrop when we hit health like 0. Then we will have this background saying game over. So we choose race, and then I go here, press here, and go to backdrops. Then I will make a text, and I will write game over. And then I make this bigger. And then I go here to backdrop 1. Or we could go to code first, then hippo. Then we will add when I receive message 1. Then I will hide the hippo. And then I will switch the backdrop to raise. But before I hide it, I must also be able to see it. So I press show and I drag show over here. And then to be sure that whenever I start the game, I will always have backdrop 1. And I also add switch backdrop to backdrop 1. Let's start and try. Game over. As you see, the buildings are still moving. The hippo got hidden, but the buildings is still moving. I press the stop button. Then I go to buildings. I go to events. When I receive message 1, then I will hide. Then I also will have a show, so it will be visible when starting. Then I go back to hippo, and I also see here health is showing here. So I will also hide variable. So go to variables and hide variable health. Then I try again. Now the hippo is flying, but you don't see the health. So we also will have the show variable health here. And try again. Now the health is 10. We are almost finished now. To make this easier, we set health to 2. This to show what happened. Health is 2. Hit is 1 and 0. Game over. But if we see down here, you see the hippo is still flying and the buildings are also moving. So even if they show here and they are hidden, the game is running still. So to make that okay, then we go to control and have a stop all when I receive message 1. Now the program is finished. As you will see, the hippo stopped, the building stopped, everything is fine. Okay, that was all for today. I hope you had fun in learning, and I'll see you next time.